My dear subscriber, thank you so much for subscribing to the app. I'm truly grateful. I'm glad you've come all this way to support my journey, to support my work. I really, really appreciate it. I'll keep on trying my best to make a difference to your life each and every month after month. I hope the predictions are going to be useful. If there's any feedback, please feel free to contact me. You can email me at kanu@astrokanu.com. Enjoy your reading and do remember to rate and share the app. Thank you again. Have a great month. Here are your predictions for June 2021. Dear Aries, here are your June 2021 predictions. So let's start. Before I start, as always, I would like to thank my Jyotish gurus and my spiritual gurus for always guiding me. I'm truly grateful. So June is going to be a very, very powerful month. There's a lot happening. There's a powerful solar eclipse on the 10th of June. There are a lot of planetary movements. Check out the general predictions which are on the landing page of the app to give you overall energy and also stock market predictions. These predictions are, of course, more personal to you. So around the 3rd of June and 4th of June, the beginning of June, you might feel temperamental or agitated suddenly. For some of you, this is a time where your family needs attention or you're having some disagreements with your family. Things will get better after the second week of June. So don't get into too much conflict. Avoid those crucial, critical conversations for now. This is also a crucial time for your finances. Do not lend out money to people at this point or put money into anything that you're not clear about. So, Aries, remember, I'm talking about the first 2 weeks of June, especially. Do not give money out to anyone. Do not invest into anything at this point. Keep your money close to you because at this point, that is the best you can do with it. As you reach towards the end of June, many of you are facing conflict or turmoil in your personal relationships. This would get better as we keep on moving further into the month of July. June is a month for Arians where your patience might be tested. And I know, being a fire sign, they are not ideally very patient as people. It's not one of their best qualities, so to say. But Aries, you need to watch it out because June will be a time where you need to hold back your Mars, your Aries energy a little bit. Not everything is, sorted with jumping into a conflict or being stubborn or being agitated from inside, especially not in this particular month. I would highly recommend you sit down and spend some time meditating or chanting. Now, come on, I've given you those features. Go to the landing page of the app, click on meditate with us, click on chanting, and it will really, really give you the right guidance you need. It will help you sail through those difficult nights, and there may be one or two in the month of June. It will also be a great idea to start exercising or working out. So, Aries, if you, in spite of my advice or suggestions, if you feel that you don't really want to try chanting or meditating, go out for a run, go for a jog, get into some form of physical activity or regime, try some yoga, try weightlifting if nothing else. Because the restlessness that you're going to feel within, you need to have an outlet. It will not just go away, it will be easier for you to sort it out. So either do any of these physical exercises or follow my advice and try one of the spiritual practices that I have mentioned. This will help you balance your inner turmoil in the month of June. And energies which will be disturbed, especially in the first 2 weeks of the month, will be easier for you to handle if you do these practices. Remember to make important, crucial decisions only after the 28th of June and not before that, since that is not the time you'll be able to make correct decisions. The whole idea of these predictions is to give you very practical advice and to make things a little easier for you. So remember the dates that I have mentioned and try not to jump to conclusions or make those decisions that can be critical for your relationships or for your work or with your colleagues. Follow the dates to get into those important things after the 25th of June, because that would be ideal. You'll be in a better space to make correct decisions for yourself. At this point, before 25th of June, you're likely to be temperamental and your decisions will not be well thought of or practical or useful or correct in the long term. So this is all I have for June. Have a great month ahead. I'll be back with predictions next month. Take care. Bye for now.